Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna guess that if you're here now, you must have watched the first video that led into the second video. And if you didn't, you need to go back and go watch that video. We'll put a link right here for it. Make sure you go check that one out because we're doing a full recap of everything from last year from the 2024 Mini Truck Nationals down in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. This is the second half of all the stuff I had. Like I've told you before, nobody out there has more content than we do coming from Canada, filming everything from outside the stuff on the Wednesday before things even start right through until Monday, Tuesday. We're filming everything. We have all the content. This is the second part to this video with Saturday roll in, Saturday roll out, goats, birds, driving, interview, all kinds of stuff. You're here, watch the video. If you haven't seen the first part, go check that video out right now, then come back, or vice versa. Either way, get your snacks, get your drinks ready. You got a few hours to kill. Let's go mini trucking.
Let's go.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel.
Got my heart no
Project or cameo.
first, get the first with your lips.
Yeah, Maddie.
Sticker for your box, my friend.
Yes, sir. No, that's gonna go on my truck.
Excellent. Okay, brother. We'll see you later tonight, man.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to tell them everything I'm gonna do. I would rather show them everything.
sir. You're close, you're almost there. It's awesome.
I give people space behind me to walk, and then what do? They just walk right in front of me.
That's why I sit out in the middle of the road. I'm gonna go film the road for a second. guys? Down at the thing?
Go right now.
Okay, I might jump in with you and do a...
Gotcha.
Awesome.
What's up, sir? How are you?
How's it going, man?
Have a good one. We'll be back.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Half of my niggas like
Smells starting to get to me. Do you have my key?
Yeah, I do. Crazy rollout Saturday. Mini Nationals. Maggie, North Carolina. This is where it's at. Big number of trucks. Huge number. Probably the biggest turnout. Unreal. It's amazing. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see your truck featured. We're gonna get out on the street. We gotta go charge some batteries. Then we're gonna get out on the street and go cruise. See you in a bit.
Uninterrupted footage I've got.
Nice. Well, that was unbelievable for Saturday. My eyes are sore, babe, from seeing all that stuff. I'm actually really burnt, as you can see. That was a long day filming. Hi, baby.
Hi.
You look beautiful. Okay, we're gonna head down. We're gonna go meet up with the Acro crew and do a little pizza party in the parking lot.
Pizza party.
Pizza party in the parking lot. And then we're gonna hop in some vehicles. Hopefully crew cut. Hopefully square one. And a few others. And we'll get out there tonight and we'll bring you some night footage of the cruising in the strip, because it's already begun. So, but what a show. Unbelievable. If you've never been, you have to come. There's something for everybody. It's absolutely amazing. Biggest turnout of trucks they've ever had, I've ever seen. Unreal. And to have the backdrop as the valley.
And be in North Carolina, because the people here are amazing.
That's right. Everybody here has been absolutely phenomenal. Shout out to everybody here in Maggie, Canton, Asheville, Waynesville, surrounding area, and everybody in North Carolina. It's phenomenal. So we'll be bringing you more videos. There's gonna be tons of content coming out from this, so make sure you check it out. Watch some videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And we will see you on the strip in Maggie Valley. Let's go, babe. Yeah.
Ready.
We're out
Pizza.
for pizza. We are ready for pizza.
Did Angie, the Ranger.
Oh, excellent.
All the girls were all,
You want me to bring her down to a lower elevation, or you want it right where it's at?
They don't know yet?
oh, it's his.
I do.
Oh, yeah,
He knows.
it's yours. Oh,
It
I
was
do,
supposed
but
to be done last
Angie
year.
Angie
Oh,
did it.
okay.
Angie didn't
Yeah.
know.
Oh,
I hadn't even bought the truck when I got permission for it to be logoed.
gotcha.
So he's got a few of them already.
But Angie is actually under Damien, but he wasn't able to make the show this year, so we didn't.
It's got to go a little bit above that.
Yeah, that's fine. You need a rag and all that, or?
I don't think it's. I need a bright blue one. Last year.
Is this how you pizza party?
This is how we pizza party.
How you pizza party?
So I think Charles was 15.
Oh, you're all good.
Nah, it's fucking around.
Yeah, Dave just had it finished.
Yeah, the color makes it. Hey, Michael, Bentley Blue Pearl. Pretty color.
Where are we gonna finish? Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, it's about to have full over on it. I'm not gonna tell anyone.
It's rack top. It's plastic.
You heading up?
I was going to Moose to let them know, but we're going to go over real soon.
Okay. Okay, buddy, do I need to pay for more? Nope. Can I have another piece?
Yep.
How long do you work on?
Cost too much money to build this back. We're still here. But he's working on it and building it the other way.
That's cool though.
Yes,
That's neat.
which makes me happy as can be.
For sure.
He's in an old hot rod club, knuckle draggers.
That's
He's got a the guy that's driving
Yeah.
the Ford. That's his wife's truck. She built that.
oh, okay.
And she got her full logo today. What the hell's that noise?
Oh, it's a motorcycle.
Oh,
It was a Harley.
What was it?
Yeah, it was a Harley that fired up.
It sounded like an exhaust leak.
Yeah.
It's not your truck.
It is not
No.
your truck. Oh, it's a motorcycle.
Oh,
It was a Harley.
What was it?
Yeah, it was a Harley that fired up.
It sounded like an exhaust leak.
Yeah.
It's not your truck.
It is not your truck.
Sit sideways, but I would have to go carbureted, and it was $6 grand for that. Bigger injectors and everything else. And I went, now, don't need that.
No.
Turn your head around. There you go.
looks beautiful cruising down the road, buddy.
Says you.
Says me, yes.
Says you.
It looks good. The rock lights look really good. Yeah, looks really good.
Let's go.